Welcome. If you are looking for the downloaded files on your INFINIX Zero 3, for the first you have to enter the tools. Right now click on the download, and here you will find the things that you download from the internet. And just to show you that it really works, right now I'm gonna open the browser and download picture from the Google Chrome. And right now I'm gonna take the Selena Gomez picture, and maybe we can go for this one. Click, hold, tap on the download image. Right now we have get permissions for our Google Chrome, and right now when we go back to the downloads, we can find here the photo of Selena Gomez. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.